If you want to get the best performance and visual quality in Forza Horizon 6, this video will show you exactly how to adjust the graphics settings step by step. Whether your PC is struggling to run the game smoothly or you just want sharper visuals and better frame rates, changing these settings can make a huge difference. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, launch Forza Horizon 6, and once you're in the game, press the escape key on your keyboard. This will open the main menu. From there, go to Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see several different options, but the one you want for graphics is the Video Settings section. In Video Settings, you can control the most important display and the performance options. This is where you can adjust your resolution, which affects how sharp the game looks on your screen. If you want better performance, lowering the resolution can help reduce strain on your PC. If you want the game to look cleaner and more detailed, a higher resolution is the way to go. You'll also find VSync here. VSync can help reduce screen tearing, which is when parts of the image look misaligned during fast movement. If you notice tearing while driving fast or moving the camera quickly, turning VSync on may help. But if you're trying to reduce input delay or improve responsiveness, you may want to test it off as well. Another useful setting in this menu is the FPS limit. This lets you control how many frames per second the game is allowed to run at. If your PC is powerful enough, you may want to keep the frame rate high for smoother gameplay. But if your system is overheating, unstable, or you want to make the game more consistent, setting a lower FPS cap can help. You'll also see DLSS or FSR settings depending on your hardware and available options. These are upscaling technologies that can boost performance while keeping the image quality looking good. If your PC supports them, they can be extremely useful for getting better frame rates without dropping visuals too much. It's worth testing different modes to see what gives you the best balance. Now scroll down to the graphics and performance section. This is where you can fine-tune the game even further. Here, you can adjust individual graphics options or use an overall preset. If you want a quick setup, using a preset is the easiest option. But if you want more control, you can change each setting manually. For example, if you have a lower-end PC, you may want to reduce settings like shadows, reflections, textures, and environmental detail to improve performance. If you have a high-end PC, you can push these settings higher for a richer and more realistic look. The key is to match the settings to what your computer can actually handle. A good approach is to start with a balanced or medium preset, then test the game and adjust from there. If the game feels choppy or the frame rate drops during races, lower the more demanding settings first. If everything runs smoothly and you still want better visuals, you can increase certain options step by step. And that's really the best way to choose the graphic settings in Forza Horizon 6. Base them on the performance level of your PC. Don't just use the highest settings automatically. Instead, aim for the smoothest gameplay possible with visuals that still look great to you. If this guide helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.